Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and log reps on the ladder. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official ladder application if you have not already. So if you do not already have it downloaded, what you want to do is go ahead and open up the App Store on your mobile phone. Open up the App Store, search for ladder, find the application and install it. So after installing it and opening it up, this is going to be the home page you're greeted by. From this main page we can get started. So the first thing you need to do is go ahead and log into your account. Keep in mind you need to have a pro subscription to be able to use the ladder application, or either have the free trial that is offered to you once you open up the application for the first time. So once you've gotten that, we can get started selecting our theme right here in the bottom right corner, deciding what kind of workouts you want to follow, and then in the workout section we can get started with following our workouts. So let's go and take a look at how to log reps. Basically guys, to log reps you can expand each movement within the workout journal to input your repetitions and weights during or after your session. So you can tap on the workouts right here that you want to do, and it's going to enable you to start your workouts, and you can go ahead and tap on any of the workouts. That's going to go ahead and enable you to go ahead and input the sets you have done, the effort, time, and so on, and this is how it's going to look like. From here you can go ahead and manage it and log your reps manually during your workouts, and that is how it's done. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.